Hi, good morning. Hi, everybody. I hope you're well. And I'm here today. I hope you're well. I hope you're really having a fantastic day despite everything that's happening. And I hope you're keeping yourself safe as well. Um, I'm here today with another review called Exile Profits. And my name is Zoe. I'll just go through. This is the creator of this product. But it's one of the creator of this product. Here is just a note for people who've been struggling, you're feeling frustrated, you're trying and trying again, and you just can't seem to break ground with anything. So what they are saying about this product is that it's good. It's good in the sense of it's a really good program which helps you make money and is easy to use, it's newbie friendly, and it helps you make money while uploading images. And it's a real secret to success with making money for every struggling newbie, and everything you need to get instant payment. So everything you need will be inside this product in order to help you get instant payment, and how to consistently make money every day without selling, how to generate sales 24/7 while actually doing less work, and it's the absolute best way to stop buying so many products, hoping your situation will change. Does this sound familiar? Step by step over the shoulder video training to follow to avoid any confusion whatsoever. And another factor of this product is make it a breeze to make passive income no matter what your previous experience. You stop wasting time creating content and start uploading your way to success. It's a secret of getting payments day in and day out and understanding exactly how to make money on the fly, not later. Easily automate the whole process, even if you are starting from scratch. And it answers the question, how do I actually make money online as a complete newbie once and for all? See here is a low price, and it have a 30-day money back guaranteed. And according to this product, is revolutionary training that helped thousands of struggling newbies consistently make money simply uploading images. You can see the excitement on her face, the image. Yeah, so I'll leave you to scroll down and have a read of some of the information yourself. And there's quite a lot to take in the page. There's quite a lot of information here for you to take in. So I will leave you to read about this product. Um, so it says here, just to reiterate, it says here that Exile Profits accomplished what nobody has done before, and the time to get started is now. And it says here, remember, this is the last system you will ever need. You are backed by a 30-day money back guarantee. The price will be increasing. The sooner you get started, the sooner you will make money. You will get support if you need any help. And it's a risk-free situation according to the creator. And the only way you lose here is by not giving Exile Profit a try. So what are you waiting for? Okay, so I say, yeah, there's a lot about the product here as well. There's reason why you need to get the Exile Profit, and these are the reasons here. Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for taking the time to listen. Thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye now. Keep safe. Hi, my name is Zoe. I hope you're all having a fantastic day, but keeping safe as well. I'm here to just introduce you quickly to my bonus page for Exile Profit. I also have another video with some more information about Exile Profit, and this is a new product, and you will learn how to make money simply uploading images to a secret website. That's the gist of the product. Here are some key benefits that you may be interested in. It's extremely beginner friendly, which is newbie friendly. The more Max upload, the more he makes money. This is the person whose name was mentioned earlier here. Right here, he has been doing this method for over a year and makes multiple thousand per month, simply uploading images. So what they are saying is it's a tried and proven method for making money. And once uploaded, these images paid him over and over again. And it's quite simple, no experience required. And again, it's newbie friendly, like what it says here. No further investment, and it just takes minutes. And I would just like you to see, just to have a look at the other bonuses on offer here. So thank you for listening. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, please. I really, really appreciate that. Thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you. Bye now. Take care. Keep safe. Bye.